Meaning of forklift.
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 Forklift. A forklift is a type of industrial truck that is primarily used to lift and move heavy loads. It is equipped with two forks at the front which can be raised up and down to lift objects and pallets. Forklifts are commonly used in warehouses, factories, and construction sites. They come in various sizes and capacities, ranging from small electric-powered models for light-duty tasks to large diesel-powered machines capable of lifting several tons of weight. With their versatility and efficiency, forklifts have become an essential tool for material handling in many industries.